Okay. Okay. Why do you all say okay? Okay. It's okay. Do I say that a lot? Okay. Okay. No, leave my buttons alone. No. That's not okay. No buttons. No. No buttons. All right, come here. There's a monkey over here. Come here. All right. Here he is. This is the tail biter. Say hello. Do you eat everybody's tails? Do you chew them off? You do. You do. You do. Who's biting my buttons? Say, okay. Nobody's gonna talk? This is it. How to make the queens be quiet. Let them do a selfie video. She's biting my buttons. Get off of me. No buttons. Don't bite the buttons. You're just laying there. Look at that. You're just there. Just, okay. You did. You got half my button in your mouth. There it is. I got it. No, it's mine. It's my button. Mine. My button. And you're just like, I don't get it. I don't know. There you go. The girls are behaved. The boys are not. Come here, you. Go over there. And you... and you just... You'll just lay right there, won't you? Okay. Here. Now let go. Let's see if they don't knock you over. Oh! Okay, that's enough.